Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zoliswa, and please do officially join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button, and also do turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a new video you get notified. So today guys, we are doing a slick back bun, a very cute, simple, easy cute slick back bun. We are going to first start by sectioning your hair exactly as I am doing. We are doing a V part, so to make your styling gel application process easy, you need to section your hair exactly as I am sectioning it. So yeah, section it in a 4 in front, 3, and then at the back it's the one huge one, and then you tie the back hair with your wool or your garter, whichever one you feel like is easy for you to use. So yeah. And then when you are done tying the first portion of your hair, you want to go ahead and apply your Dark and Lovely styling gel. You apply a generous amount of this styling gel. The reason I am doing what I'm doing right now, like working in sections, is because I want this bun to be really sleek and I don't want it to have any cracks, so that's why I'm applying in sections. Sometimes when I just tie my hair and apply the styling gel, it tends to crack, but now I've realized that, you know what, if I want my styling gel application to be perfect and have no cracks, it's better if I apply it in sections. So you want to go ahead and untie the first section that is in front, and then you also section it, and then you apply your styling gel on it, and then constantly use a comb to rearrange your hair to make your application neat, and then section out the hairs that you're going to be doing your edges with. This is my current favorite styling gel, you guys. I love the Dark and Lovely styling gel. I love how it smells. It smells so good. You know, Dark and Lovely, when it comes to their products, when it also comes to the smell of their products, they never disappoint. They never disappoint, you guys. I love the styling gel so much, and it's easy to work with. It's not like too sticky on hands. Yes, it is, obviously it's a styling gel, it is sticky, but not like too much. So yeah, that's why I love the styling gel so much. So yeah guys, you continue applying your styling gel in sections exactly as I am doing right now.
Grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down.
When you are done applying your styling gel in sections, you want to go ahead and take your brush to knit to make your styling gel application more neater. And then yeah, exactly as you're doing with the comb, but this time I'm using a brush. A brush just irons it out nicely. So yeah, it just makes your styling gel application flawless. So you want to go ahead and tie the ponytail at the back, exactly as I am doing. You're joining the hair from the sections into the first ponytail you tied. So yeah, you go ahead and do that. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and do your edges. I'm not doing a lot of edges, I'm just doing the side edges, and I'm just doing just a simple thing, not too much. I'm not gonna touch the top part. I'm not gonna do any edges. Basically it's just this one edge, this side and the other side, and that's it. With the warm heat, you want to go ahead and dry your hair. This takes a lot of time because you've applied the styling gel in sections, so it's advisable to if you are going to be in a hurry, do it 1 hour prior you go, because it takes time. So yeah, you want to go ahead and take your hen over and then section it exactly as I have did, and then you take the huge part and then you tie it on your hair, and then you twist your hair with the fiber exactly as I am doing. You twist it until the end. That's how you do it. And then I saw that my hair is I didn't see because I was not looking at myself. Anyway, I was just estimating when I was doing this. So my viewfinder was acting up that day, so I was like, you know what, let me just do this. So I did not see that my hair was sticking out, but I'm going to show you how to fix that as the video goes. So after twisting, you roll it'll just roll itself automatically, you know. So you just need to tighten it and pull it up a bit. So you take a comb and then you tuck back in your hair into the fiber so that people cannot see it, and then you want to go ahead and secure your bun with a needle and a wool. You sew it in exactly as I am doing. And then after doing that, you want to go ahead and take a small piece of hair, and then you're making a band with it. You roll it around the bun only to hide where you join the hair and your natural hair, the hair extension and your natural hair. So this makes it look more nicer and more expensive. And then we're gonna go ahead and take your Oil Sheen. This helps with the flaking of the gel, and you know, so, and also burning the bun. So there you have it, guys. This is how it looks when I am done. I look so cute, I look so beautiful. I really slicked this one. It's so beautiful, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to click the post notification bell so that whenever I release a new video you get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I love you all. See you on the next coming one.